Have you ever wondered how a simple ginger tea can help you lose weight? In the quest for a healthier body, we often navigate through a maze of diets and workout routines, each promising results, yet leaving us perplexed. Amidst this confusion, what if there was a humble, easy-to-make beverage that could aid in this journey? Introducing ginger tea, a potential game-changer in your weight loss endeavors. What if I told you that the answer could be as simple as a cup of ginger tea? Ginger, a humble root, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Originating in Southeast Asia, this fiery root has made its way across the globe, earning a reputation as a potent remedy for various ailments. Ancient civilizations revered ginger for its therapeutic properties, using it to soothe digestive discomfort, alleviate nausea, and even combat colds and flu. But the story of ginger doesn't stop there. Its journey continues, with modern science unearthing an array of health benefits. From its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects to its ability to improve cardiovascular health, ginger has proven itself to be more than just a kitchen spice. And now, ginger is stepping into the limelight for another reason: weight loss. Yes, you heard it right. This zesty root is becoming a popular ally in the battle against the bulge. But how exactly does this wonder root help you shed those extra pounds? Let's find out. Ginger works in a fascinating way to aid in weight loss. Let's delve into the science behind this. At its core, ginger's weight loss abilities can be attributed to three key factors: boosting metabolism, reducing inflammation, and suppressing appetite. First, ginger promotes thermogenesis, a process by which your body burns calories to digest food and produce heat. This process is kicked into high gear with ginger, helping you burn more calories than you normally would. So, every sip of ginger tea is like lighting a small metabolic fire inside your body. Second, ginger is a known anti-inflammatory agent. Inflammation often comes hand in hand with weight gain and obesity. By reducing inflammation, ginger can help address the root causes of weight gain and pave the way for healthier, more sustainable weight loss. It's like a gentle cleanser for your body, washing away the harmful effects of inflammation. Lastly, ginger has appetite-suppressing properties. It can make you feel full and satisfied, reducing the urge to overeat. Imagine having a natural, flavorful ally in your fight against unwanted cravings. So we have a natural ingredient that boosts your metabolism, cleanses your body from inside, and helps control your appetite. It's no wonder ginger tea has become a popular choice among those seeking to lose weight in a healthy and natural way. Sounds great, doesn't it? But the question remains, how do you include it in your diet? Incorporating ginger tea into your routine is easier than you might think. It starts with a simple trip to your local grocery store or farmer's market to pick up some fresh ginger root. From there, all you need is hot water and a bit of time to steep. Making ginger tea is as simple as slicing up a small piece of ginger root and steeping it in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. For those who like a bit of sweetness, you can always add a drizzle of honey or a squeeze of lemon for an added boost of flavor. The best part? You can enjoy ginger tea at any time of the day. Have a cup in the morning to kickstart your metabolism, or in the evening as a cozy, comforting bedtime drink. But remember, while ginger tea can aid in weight loss, it's not a magic potion. Consistency and balance in your overall diet and exercise routine are key to achieving your weight loss goals. So there you have it, the power of ginger tea in weight loss. We've journeyed through an intriguing story, beginning with our quest for weight loss and landing on the fiery root known as ginger. We discovered the impressive history of this root, tracing back thousands of years, and its significance in ancient medicinal practices. We then explored the captivating science behind how ginger tea aids in weight loss. By promoting digestion, enhancing thermogenesis, and curbing hunger, it acts as a natural and effective weight loss ally. We also discussed practical ways to incorporate ginger tea into your daily routine, making it an effortless habit. Remember, it's not about drastic changes, but consistent small steps that lead to big results. Adding a cup of ginger tea to your diet could be one of those small yet significant steps. So next time you're considering a weight loss solution, why not give ginger tea a try? After all, the secret to your weight loss could be hiding in your spice rack.